Olá, let me tell you about the expressions queria and gostaria in Portuguese. So let's start with queria. Queria is a form of the verb querer, which means want in Portuguese, and you use eu queria to say I would like. And você queria for you would like or would you like. Ele, ela queria for he, she would like. You use queria for polite requests. For example, queria café, por favor. I'd like a coffee, please. Or as in the example below, boa tarde, eu queria usar a casa de banho, onde fica, por favor. Hi, I would like to use the restroom. And when you are addressing someone, as in, você queria alguma coisa para beber? Would you like something to drink? And gostaria, it's used in similar contexts as queria. Gostaria is a form of the verb gostar, to like. You might remember gosto de, I like. You have to remember when you use gosto, I like, and gostaria, you need to remember to add the preposition de, as in the example below. So, eu gostaria, I would like, and an example could be gostaria de comprar mapa, por favor. I would like to buy a map, please. If you are addressing someone, you use você gostaria, and again, it could be used for polite requests. Você gostaria de conhecer meus amigos? Would you like to meet my friends? And in the last example, you have ela gostaria de, she would like, ela gostaria de ir ao cinema, she would like to go to the cinema. So, eu gostaria, I would like, você gostaria, you would like, or would you like? And it's similar to the expression of the verb queria. Eu queria, I would like, você queria, you would like, or would you like?